Hello and welcome to Wilmore's World. On this project, what we're going to do is make something from this. This is my entry, but not yet anyway. This will be my entry to the Dominics challenge tree. Dominic Bender over at Dominics Woodwork is this is the second year he's done the challenge, and it's a case of you have to have something from a tree and you have to make something from it. So stay tuned and see what I come up with from this. Yeah, let's have a think. So this is what I came up with. It's a Bandsaw Box. Now, with any green material, it's got a lot of moisture in it, and basically when I cut the back piece off, it was the same shape as the body, but I left it for one day so this would stick. I left it for one day and it actually shrunk. So when I put it together, it was a bit smaller than what I was expecting, and also if you see the actual shape, when I cut it out it was the same, but now the jaw has changed slightly and the opening has changed slightly, so I would say that it's still drying. So the moisture's still not come out yet, so I'm probably going to see it change again, but I think it was good effort, and it's it's finished. So it's my first Bandsaw box, and basically I was hoping for the better, but on one hand it's a fail because everything is still drying, so it probably won't even open next week. But to answer, can you make a Bandsaw box from a log? Yes, you can. Is it going to be any good? No. But I had to go anyway. So I think it's worked out well. So thank you for watching. If you like, thumbs up. If you didn't, I probably wouldn't. Leave some feedback down in the comments, and if you'd really like to subscribe to the channel, please do. I hope a lot of people have made things for the challenge tree, because it's a worthy cause and it's a good challenge to get your hands on. Thank you for Dominic for putting on the challenge again. Thank you for all the sponsors. It's nice of you to put everything in. So thank you for watching, and remember, where there's a will, there's a way. Bye.